Got you.
I got my camera.
I can hear it. Close the door. Go. That's like. What do you want for dinner? Do you want tacos or spaghetti?
They know.
Why did I hear a train?
They'll probably break.
I heard a train. It's Arkansas, Missouri. Say hi. Hi.
I have one that'll
It's-
cut wires through a needle nose and be. Yeah, I've got one of those. So you'd have to get the needles through them all the way and then do it.
Yeah.
Versus wire clippers, you just. Yeah, that's it.
Hello guys, this is Union Pacific World Fan. Hope you're doing alright. Hope you're having an amazing day. It's beautiful outside in Winslow. So I want to say thank you so much for everything for everything you do and stuff on my YouTube channels, about the train videos, the comment likes and stuff. I appreciate it. And if y'all do that, I got to 165 subscribers now. And I hope you're having a good day and a beautiful the sun shining the earth and sky. Heard a train. Yep. That was Arkansas and Missouri railroad trains. I hope you're doing alright. I hope you're not to cause trouble or anything. Just kidding. Well, I see you watching me on my videos of the trains. So, I want to say I love you guys so much. It's beautiful outside. I love this earth. This is our home planet. Our third planet. Let's see you look around, okay? Okay. This is Anthony's Ranks. My brother, this is my friends. Here's my mom's car. Here's Titan. Hey.
When you're done, get dressed.
Huh?
When you're done, get dressed to get work.
Okay. It's a pretty nice house, you guys. It's broomed and worked by the fence. This is a lawnmower. Everything. Yep. That's about it. Here's a pile of leaves over there. We've been working. Alright. I hope you have a good day, you guys. And don't forget to subscribe me on my channels. Is Union Pacific Railroad Fan. Alright. Enjoy your day. I love you guys. Bye bye.